Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Drive backup on a Windows PC. Full guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Drive backup on a Windows PC, start by downloading the Google Drive for Desktop application. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Google Drive website. Locate the download button for Google Drive for Desktop. Click on the button to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, find the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. After installation, launch Google Drive for Desktop from your desktop or Start menu. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you will see options for setting up your backup. To begin, click on Preferences in the application interface. You will see sections for My Computer and Google Drive. In the My Computer section, click on Add Folder. Choose the folders you want to back up to Google Drive. You can select multiple folders if needed. Once you have added the folders, configure how often you want backups to occur. Make sure to review your settings to ensure everything is correct. You can see a status bar displaying the progress of your backup. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a notification. To check your backed up files, open Google Drive in your web browser. You will find the backed up folders and files in the Computers section. Remember that files in the cloud are accessible from any device with internet access. If you need to modify your backup settings, just return to the Google Drive for Desktop application. That's how to activate Google Drive backup on a Windows PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.